PT650 Motor Fault Diagnosis Simulator, designed specifically for teaching and scientific research on the diagnosis of common internal motor faults. It integrates key components including motors, couplings, bearings, friction kits, dynamic balance discs, rotating shafts, planetary gearboxes, magnetic powder brakes, and more, and supports the simulation of a wide range of typical mechanical and motor faults. It can simulate 7 common internal motor faults. The exclusive motor defect fabrication method enables faulty motors to operate stably for extended periods. Faulty motors can be replaced easily. Simply loosen the screws on the motor base and unplug the connector to swap out the test motor as required. This test bench features a dual power supply mode, inverter mode, and direct drive mode, which can be freely switched as needed. It is equipped with current transformers to display real-time current values, simulates rotor unbalance, and supports dynamic balance calibration experiments. It can simulate the misalignment of motor and coupling. Replaceable inner ring, outer ring, rolling element, retainer, and comprehensive fault bearing. Collect vibration and noise characteristic signals. The experimental material can be replaced with different materials for friction experiments, such as different metals, nylon, plastic steel, etc. The planetary gearbox can replace different faulty gears, including faulty sun gear, faulty planet gear, and faulty ring gear. The vibration characteristics under different loads can be measured, equipped with a heat dissipation system to support long-term operation. Users can flexibly configure current, voltage, vibration, noise, speed, temperature, and other sensors according to their own needs, and collect data with data acquisition instruments and analysis software. The front panel integrates speed control and display, 0 to 175 RPM, supports 1 RPM, precision adjustment, can be adjusted by knob. Working voltage, 380 VAC, 3-phase, 60/50 Hz. Press the emergency stop button. The equipment will shut down in an emergency, and the rotating parts are equipped with transparent protective covers to ensure safe operation. Apart from manual operation via the front panel buttons, the test bench can also be remotely controlled via a reserved 485 USB interface connected to a computer to start and stop simulation experiments. All components are precision machined with ultra-tight tolerances. It is applicable for teaching experiments, scientific research, characteristic analysis of fault diagnosis algorithms, and engineering training. PT650, born for real mechanical fault diagnosis, teaching, and research.